guys, Portshot here, and I'm going to be showing you a glitch base that you can use to hide your printers in, or really whatever. So, yeah, you spawn in over here, right in front of this little, or actually huge, like, town hall thing. And then you'll notice that there's warehouses over here to your left. So, yeah, if you can, what you would want to do is you can place down a node, as I did here, so you can build. And I might come out with a building tutorial soon. But what you want to do is you can add wooden walls and make a little staircase sort of thing. And then just destroy those, and in here you can see that it's closed off. What you want to do is get yourself a wall and kind of try to put it inside of the thing. You want to put it in the bottle so that nobody can see it, which is kind of hard. Or at least make it not that noticeable. So you kind of gotta play around with it to find, that's a good spot. You only got a little bit of it sticking out. And then you do the same thing with the other side. That's good. And then just close it off. And oh yeah, you want to add a roof. Somehow I forgot about that. Right. And then you want to add a door. There's this door vault. There. And then, oh yeah, you got your base here, and you can put printers in it or whatever you want, and nobody can see it, so that's nice. So yeah, that's kind of how to make a base. For some reason, they turn Can Collide up here on, so I don't know why they would do that. What you want to do to make sure your base is secure is you want to go over here and kind of just put a fence on that side of the wall, or else they'd be able to climb up from there, walk down, and then just walk over the ledge. And that should be about it. People won't really be able to see it, and on top of that, it'll be up here, so only people with jetpacks or the helicopter hat will be able to get up here. So you have a very low chance of getting your base raided if you do build it up here. But yeah, so you can just jump down, and when you want to go back up, you can get a ladder, or make one. Oh, like this. You just kind of gotta do that. And boom. Make sure you delete it though, so people can't come up here like they just did. Yeah. Just gonna like get this person. Oh yeah, and you can shoot people from up here. As you can see, the bullets are not hitting down there, and they can't hit you, because when they shoot at this, it hits the outside. Yeah, so it's another cool thing. So yeah, that's a really bad glitch actually that has to be fixed. They can barely even see that you're shooting out. So yeah, and they can't shoot back at you because it'll all hit the metal. That's just a really bad glitch. But yeah. So that's how to make a base and how to kinda be invincible, or like an invincible sniping spot you can build up here. So yeah, that's a thing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my other videos.